Hi, I'm Lauren States. I'm CTO for Cloud Computing and a Vice President in IBM's Corporate Strategy Group, and I'm really happy to be here with you today. I've been asked to talk about my career and to reflect on my career journey within IBM over the past 30 years and how I've made some of the decisions that I've made and how it's really given me a great deal of opportunity. And so as I thought through that, I thought about the three areas that I think have really made a difference for me over the course of these past few years. And I'll share with you why I did them, some of the benefits that I got, and some things that hopefully you can reflect on as you think about your career and where you want to grow to. So the three things are my decision to go to business school, my love of new technologies and being involved in those areas, and also the multidisciplinary and various job roles I've done over the course of the last 30 years. So let me start with business school. I actually went to business school at the urging of my father, who was a corporate executive at a large insurance company. And when I got to business school, I thought I wanted to study actuarial science, but I discovered really I had more of a love of technology, and I'd studied decision sciences. One of the benefits of business school was being able to work and understand companies, understand how to analyze them, how to understand client business processes, how to work on teams, how to get the deep analytical skills that I needed. And those skills have served me very well through my whole career. So in retrospect, going to business school was a really great decision. The second tenet of my career has been to always be involved in the latest technologies. I love technology. I have every gadget you can imagine possible and every new gadget you can imagine. I found that staying relevant in technology means staying at the front end of technology. And what that does is it gives you the opportunity in your organization to participate in growth. And where there's growth, there's quite a lot of opportunity. So that's been another tenet of my career that's really served me well over the years. Third area, which I think is actually most important, is that I've done a variety of jobs in the company. They've ranged from sales to technical to development, from corporate to line, from local to global. And all of these different jobs have given me new skill sets that have prepared me for broader responsibility. So let me share a story with you about one of the jobs which I think was key in my career, which was the opportunity that I had to work on a corporate business transformation. That project was fantastic. I worked on really deep issues of our firm. I learned a lot of new disciplines. I made a lot of new contacts across the firm and increased my network. And when I went back out to work with clients, I found that that skill of business transformation was very important to my clients. In fact, one of the CIOs I worked with spent a lot of time with me understanding what we did, how it could be applied to her organization, and we really developed a wonderful relationship because of that. So here you are at this conference, and you have a lot of opportunity to meet people and network, to attend different conferences. And, you know, as I summarize my story and I think about the opportunity at the conference for you, I think I can sum it up by saying that through my career, I've really pushed myself. I've pushed myself in different directions. Sometimes it's been really obvious, sometimes not so. But each time I've really grown, and it's prepared me for the next opportunity. And I would encourage you to push yourself as well. There's a tremendous amount of opportunity here in IT, not just in the technology itself, but in the broad range of business. So I wish you a great conference. It's been really a pleasure to be with you, and thank you very much for the opportunity.